You hand over your suitcase at check-in, trusting it will follow you all the way to your destination. But the moment it disappears behind those conveyor belts, your control disappears with it. Welcome to Before You Fly, where we show you what really happens behind airport doors, the parts travelers aren't meant to think about. Because hidden beneath polished terminals and smiling agents is a system few passengers ever see, a maze of tunnels, sorting rooms, and loading zones where your belongings pass through dozens of hands. And sometimes, trust doesn't make the journey. Airline and airport theft isn't some rare horror story. Reports are rising. And when valuables vanish, accountability often does too. One traveler tracked a missing laptop straight from baggage claim to a private residence, the home of an airport employee. Even after police recovered it, responsibility was quietly deflected. No ownership. No real explanation. Others have opened their luggage after landing to discover designer bags gone, electronics missing, lining slashed, zippers forced. Compensation, when offered, barely scratches the loss. The pattern is hard to ignore. Once your bag enters restricted areas, visibility drops, and so does protection. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most theft isn't dramatic. It's fast, quiet, and opportunistic. A simple pen can defeat many suitcase zippers in seconds. Slip the tip between the teeth, pop it open, remove what you want, slide the zipper closed, and the bag looks untouched. No broken lock. No obvious damage. Just missing belongings you won't notice until hours later. The solution isn't paranoia, it's preparation. Reinforced zippers or latch-style luggage remove that weak point entirely. It's a small upgrade that eliminates one of the easiest access tricks in travel. Timing matters too. Checking a bag far too early means it can sit unattended in staging areas, moving through multiple handlers before boarding. The longer it waits, the more exposure it has. Many seasoned travelers quietly follow a simple rule. Don't check luggage excessively early unless you must. Less idle time means fewer opportunities for tampering. What you pack also changes how your bag is handled. Unusual shapes, dense electronics, tangled cables, or wrapped items often trigger manual inspections. While most inspections are routine and professional, rushed repacking can expose valuables or leave items vulnerable. Keeping suspicious-looking objects in your carry-on and organizing contents neatly reduces unnecessary handling. Locks won't make a suitcase invincible, but they create friction. And friction is enough to discourage opportunistic tampering. Even simple barriers signal that accessing your bag won't be effortless. Just remember, locks slow intrusion, they don't eliminate it. Material matters more than travelers realize. Soft-sided luggage is easier to cut or pry open discreetly. Hard-shell cases demand time and attention, two things opportunists prefer to avoid. Polycarbonate shells offer durability without excessive weight, making them a strong balance of protection and practicality. Then there's psychology. Flashy luggage suggests flashy contents. Thieves gravitate toward bags that look expensive or anonymous. Distinctive covers, bold markings, or unconventional designs make your suitcase easy to recognize and less appealing to target. Standing out discourages silent removal. Inside the bag, visibility is everything. Loose valuables near the zipper are easy temptations. Layering your packing, clothing over electronics, compartments over jewelry, adds precious seconds that discourage quick grabs. Most opportunistic theft relies on speed. Slow that down, and you often stop it. And the golden rule seasoned travelers live by. Never check what you can't afford to lose. Electronics, medication, documents, jewelry, these belong in your carry-on or personal item. Gate checking happens unexpectedly, so always be ready to transfer valuables quickly. Control equals security. Preparation doesn't end when you pack. Photograph your luggage and contents before departure. Add a discreet tracker inside. Arrive at baggage claim promptly and inspect your suitcase immediately. If something is wrong, report it before leaving the airport. Documentation turns frustration into leverage. Here's the reality most airlines won't advertise. The system prioritizes efficiency, not personal accountability. You can't eliminate risk entirely, but layered preparation gives you control in a system designed to move fast, not look back. That's why Before You Fly exists, to help you travel smarter, safer, and one step ahead of the chaos. Because once your suitcase disappears behind that curtain, preparation is the only protection that travels with it. And the difference between a stressful loss and a smooth arrival is often decided long before you ever board the plane.